This is a video on how to easily disassemble and reassemble your extractor assemblies for both CT and BT styles. This comes in handy if you don't wish to purchase a fully loaded disc and use your old components, or fix a pocket that's not functioning properly. Alright, I'm going to start on the CT style. For the CTs, I start by undoing one bolt almost all the way, holding it, I hold on to this guy. It is spring loaded. What I'm doing is I'm using this guy as a pivot point right here, and I take that bolt out all the way, and here I twist this guy and slide it out so that I don't shoot the spring, and there it is. And the rest of it's pretty easy. Alright, I'm going to go to the BT for the disassembly. For the BT, I do it a little bit different because the plate's on top. It's a bit more difficult. I loosen both bolts, again holding on to the side that I'm taking the bolt out all the way, using this guy as the pivot point. I got a feel for it. Take the bolt out, and this is a bit tricky part. Slide that guy off, and again tilt this guy in. You got to pick it up a little bit because the spring will catch on this pocket back here, and slide it in this direction. Take the spring out. And that's how to disassemble both pockets. And no flying metal objects. Alright, I'm going to reassemble the Cat 40 now. I'll go over here. Let's see. I put down the extractor key first, and with the bushing inside of it, you can load it after you set it down, but that's the way I'm doing it. Get it in there, get it close to finished for the tightness of it, or still have it loose. Line up the threads on here and then just snug it. This guy should still be able to move freely. If it doesn't, the bushing is undersized, and if it is, it'll eventually work its way out while doing tool changes, but that takes quite a while. Alright, I got that guy in there. This guy, with or without the bushing, I'll do it without. A bit easier. I'm just doing it the opposite way I did it. And you slide it into position, or slide it back in, and use it as a lever. Be sure to hold on the spring, because if you mess up, you're going to have something flying. Again, line up the holes. Start it by hand, and I can tighten it all the way. I wouldn't use a impact wrench in order to tighten this because it is aluminum below and you can easily pull out threads that way. The screw gun works pretty nice. I don't have one on hand right now, but an Allen wrench works too. For the BT styles, because the extractor key is on top, the way I do it is put down the extractor, put in the bushing, put the extractor key into position, start it by hand, get this guy just about snug. Again, this guy should move freely. And for the BT style, it's the same thing, except for you got to start higher up and work your way down. But you could do that once you got it in position. This one's a bit trickier, and this is why I had it snugged. Swing it over, washer. I could see through it clearly to the threads. Start it by hand, and there you go. That's how you quickly disassemble and reassemble your extractor pockets. Both of them seem to be working good. You should be able to hear a click if you squeeze. And that's it.